Splunk and Datadog are two of the most recognized platforms in security analytics, but they cater to teams in slightly different ways. Splunk has long been a leader in log management and security information event management, offering deep analytics and powerful customization. Datadog, on the other hand, is built around cloud observability and integrates security directly into monitoring and performance tools. For operations teams, the question comes down to complexity versus speed. Splunk gives you more control and detailed insight, while Datadog focuses on ease of use, automation, and quick deployment. Splunk stands out for enterprises and operations teams that handle massive data volumes across mixed environments. It can ingest virtually any log source and correlate it to detect threats, anomalies, or compliance issues. Its dashboards are flexible and can be tailored to very specific use cases. However, that depth requires skill and time. Smaller operations teams may find the setup, maintenance, and licensing costs challenging. Still, when you need complete visibility across hybrid infrastructure and advanced threat detection, Splunk's power is hard to match. Datadog security analytics are built for cloud-first teams that want a single view of infrastructure, applications, and security posture. It automatically detects unusual behavior, correlates logs and metrics, and prioritizes alerts so teams spend less time sorting through noise. The interface is intuitive, deployment is fast, and it scales easily without heavy maintenance. It may not have Splunk's advanced customization, but its simplicity and integration with cloud platforms make it ideal for smaller or fast-moving operations teams that value speed and collaboration over deep tuning. In short, if your operations team needs maximum flexibility, handles large on-premise and hybrid data, and can manage a complex setup, Splunk delivers unmatched control. But if you are a lean team focused on cloud environments, quick insights, and unified monitoring, Datadog offers a smoother, lighter experience. Both platforms enhance visibility and response, but the right fit depends on how much time your team can invest in configuration versus how much automation you want from day one.